May be needing that pretty soon, right?
Yeah, they will definitely be needing that on Tuesday, but Mother Nature is going to help as well because temperatures are going to be at or slightly above freezing for the good portion of this event. But nonetheless, some snow is going to be falling and we will see some slushy roadways on the way. This is what we know right now is rain and snow is on the way. The storm system is already developing across the desert southwest and it is moving in the right path for a big snowstorm here across the state. The moisture will be widespread. The Gulf of Mexico moisture is going to be pumping in. Showers and thunderstorms are going to be developing across Texas and being flung to the north. But the big question is how much cold air are we going to have, not only at the surface but aloft, and when does that change over from rain that's going to start on Tuesday change over to snow? The earlier that switches over, the better chances of higher accumulations. So we'll have to wait and see, and there will be some melting of the snow as well because, like I mentioned just to Sylvia there at the start, temperatures will be 34, 35, maybe go down to 32, 33 with the snow. So, and during the day, we still have that sun radiation, the UV index, working on everything. So again, this is a good snowstorm that everything's going to be white and pretty, but the roads might be just wet for the most part. 34 degrees, east wind at around 10 miles an hour. Temperatures have fallen down in the pockets with those low-lying areas. Light winds, clear skies down into the low to mid 20s. So it's cold overnight down into the middle to upper 20s, some upper 20s off to the south. As you can see, upper 40s to low 50s, a light, gentle east wind out of the southeast late in the day. Some high-level clouds come in during the afternoon, and that's the start of our weather system that you can see already, those high-level clouds. And look at that big spin of low pressure here. This is going to be a big comma head. Area of low pressure that's going to come up with showers and thunderstorms, and it's just going to spin its way in the right path for a good snow here across and a good winter storm across the state. For right now, North Platte, there's a lot of snow here across the central and northern plains, but there is no Arctic air. It will try to tap into some of this cold air, and also the dynamics will try to saturate the air and pull that colder air down to the surface. So area of low pressure develops. North winds will arrive throughout the day on Tuesday, so we'll fall from the middle to upper 30s early on down to the low 30s with the heavy snow likely by the afternoon. So again, that rain snow changeover, when does it happen? But when it does snow, there is a lot of forcing with this storm system and a lot of moisture, so it will come down very heavy. We will have visibilities at times less than a quarter mile, maybe a little thunder with the snow as well. But again, warm temperatures not only at the air but on the ground will try to hold off the snow accumulations on the area roadways. We will likely see some snow and slush on the roadways because of this, just how heavy this snow falls at times. Like I mentioned, a little thunder and lightning and blinding snows, big wet silver dollar snowflakes with this snow. Okay, this is going to be a snow globe type of snow with a north wind and pockets of very heavy snow, and we might go back from rain to snow all the way through early afternoon here across Oklahoma City. But by the afternoon into the evening hours, the backside of the area of low pressure comes in and we'll have a little bit more colder air, not only at surface but aloft, so all of it will be snow as temperatures overnight, Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, only fall down around 31, 32. So again, this is not a thumping snowstorm and ice that's followed by Arctic air that freezes everything. Okay, so that will help the roadways as well. Under 1 inch north, 1 to 2, 2 to 4. And then 3 to 6 from Oklahoma City south. And there will be some pockets where some areas get 3 to 4 inches and a county over gets maybe 7 to 8 inches. Okay, this is the type of snow that could hit and miss. So it's not a general. This is kind of averages. But right now it looks like that bullseye is just south of the metro. And this is the best part. The kids are going to love the snow, and you snow lovers are going to love snow. Everybody rejoices about this because we have ongoing drought and the farmers will love it. Wet to slushy here on the roadways Tuesday into Tuesday night. Road closures low, closings moderate. Power outages a little iffy, might get some power outages with the heaviness on the snow and the power lines. And that snow and maybe some ice by the end of the 9-day period as winter wants to take over the next 9. But we'll keep you the latest on Tuesday with Jed and Lacey in the morning. Sports is up next.